This is our 330 material right here.
Okay.
It has a larger 3/8 inch aggregate in it, and then along with the sealant.
Yeah, right. No,
And they're designed specifically for potholes, and it does really well on both concrete and asphalt. Now our 500 series, which is our 531, which is the hole right behind us. This has a smaller 1/8 of an inch aggregate, and it's an engineered angled cut, so it stacks better. It's a little bit more structural, but also the sealant that we've done in that is designed so that it does well on concrete, both concrete and asphalt. We do recommend you put a primer down for the concrete though.
So what we're running, 380 is our temperature, I think it's what should that be saying, 380?
You know, I said just don't take it over 400. The patch material, you can take it really good. 400, no problem. And it won't, you know, it does good. But 380 is pretty good.
We don't need to get it, yeah.
The Mastic, 380, I think that's perfect.
That's 30 years ago. Yeah, I mean, maybe if we're working with cooler weather, it'd be the only time we pump it up, but we're figuring, I think you guys said
The Cimline is set up, it has an auger, an agitator on the inside. The paddles are set at an angle, one direction turning. It mixes all the product together, put it in reverse, and it brings it to the back, to the gauge, and down the heated chute to be able to fill the hole.